friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So this weekend my hubby and I were chilling out and we were watching the football game, and I decided to make some treats or whatever like that for us to eat, and I was trying to figure out something that I can make that kind of reminiscent of what we used to have, like buffalo flavored chicken wings and stuff like that. So I came up with a recipe for not only him but for you guys, and I think you guys will really love it, okay? And it's a cauliflower buffalo wings. Now, I make these ones a little bit different than what I've seen. They are going to be a little bit crispy and crunchy because we're going to cover them with some panko breadcrumbs as well. So let me show you how I put that together. So first we're going to break down the cauliflower, and of course I always wash my cauliflower first to get rid of all the debris or whatever, because a lot of hands been touching it. So you want to make sure that it's clean, and then I go in with a small sharp knife and cut around this stalk to get that loosened. So we're going to cut off some of the flowerets off of that hard stalk because we don't want a whole bunch of that stalk. Even though this part is good and you can freeze this, put it in a Ziploc bag like I do, and take all of my little vegetable stems so that I can use them later on for like a veggie stalk. So before we mix the batter, let's set our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. I'm also going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and put a little bit of oil on the pan or on the parchment paper I mean, so that it will not stick. So now let's set up our dredging stations. So first we're going to add about 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs to one station. In our other dredging station, we're going to add about 1 cup of chickpea flour, and that's basically garbanzo bean flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika. So I just put like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I don't like too much pepper. And then like a nice big pinch, which is probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a toss. And to that we're going to add 1 cup of water and stir it up till you get a nice batter. I'm using a fork so I can break up and get all the lumps out as possible to have more of a smoother batter. So just go ahead and whisk it all up. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get the big lumps out the way. So we're going to start by taking the cauliflower and dipping it inside the wet, and then dipping it inside the crunchy panko. I like to try to just use 1/2 of wet, 1/2 of dry, so it's not a gloopy mess. Have some big old wings, huh? And you can cut these wings down as small as you like. It's up to you, the shape you want, the size you want. These are just gonna be some mega wings. So while our cauliflower wings are cooking, let me show you how I make my version of buffalo wing sauce. Hey guys, ever wonder how to make plant-based eating effortless? Well, my 30-day plant-based meal plan is the answer for you. With over 39 plant-based recipes, it takes the guesswork out of mealtime, saving you time and ensure that you enjoy nourishing meals every day. So let's simplify healthy eating together. To the pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, a 1/2 cup of hot sauce, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Give it a stir and let the butter melt, and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, but on really low medium heat. So I took them out of the oven after they baked halfway, and just going to dab a little bit of oil on them so they can crisp up and look nice and golden brown. You don't have to do this step. This is just a step I like to do for serving. Okay, our cauliflower wings are all done, and check it out. They are delicious and crispy on the outside. And for this one, I took them out the oven, add a little bit of more oil just to get more crispier if you're going to serve them this way. If you're going to just go ahead and toss them inside the sauce, then you don't have to worry about that step. But let's give them a try and see what they taste like. I'm gonna get a small one so I don't get, you know, carried away here. First, I'm gonna taste it without the sauce. Oh, that crunch. Hope you can hear that crunch. Listen to this. That's really good. Oh man. I'm gonna dip them in the sauce a little bit. Oh, perfect. Wow. It's tender on the inside. I'm not gonna say it tastes like a wing, but it does taste delicious, okay guys? And the outside, that gives it that crunch, and the sauce, it is perfect, guys. A great substitute, and you won't miss out on while everybody else is enjoying those chicken wings. All right, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, guys, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps the algorithms to share this video with other people. And also comment below, because you know I like to see your comments, and I will always respond to your comments, guys. So with that being said, we are all done with this video. I am Rosa, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.